Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is London Tayy coming to you today with another video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I do a frontal sew-in with minimal baby hairs, literally like 2 baby hairs. Okay, don't nobody want to OD in the baby hairs every single time. But first things first, I'm going to braid her hair down and start off with the 99% rubbing alcohol. Not 98, not 91, but 99. This ensures that every single piece of oil comes off the client's forehead. Next, I'm going to get a nude cap. You can get a cap that's close to their skin tone, that's easier for you. Just do not get a stocking cap that's darker than their skin tone. Next, I'm going to use the black Got2b glue gel. You can use either one, works. The black takes a while to dry, so if you want to, you're in a rush, just use the yellow one. And then you're going to use that, you're going to apply it on the client's hairline, and you're going to comb it back and use the blow dryer to press her edges back. Next, you are going to sew the back braid down before you apply the cap. After the braid is sewn down, now is the time to apply the cap. You are going to cover most of her forehead, almost down where her eyebrows are. You're also going to cover her ears and make sure that it's completely covering the bottom ear lobe. After that, you're going to get the Got2b glue gel and you're going to apply that just on the edges. A little bit above the edges is fine, but just on the edges. After that, you're going to get the Got2b glue spray and you're going to spray the hairline as well as behind the hairline just to ensure that the cap stays and the cap is molded throughout. And then you are going to get the blow dryer and blow dry that for about 10 minutes on warm. If you have a sit under dryer, that works perfectly fine as well. I'm just going to place the needle and thread where I'm going to start, and now I'm going to cut the net off the ear as well as where her forehead is. And once you cut off the cap where her forehead is, before you place the frontal and after you cut off the excess cap in the back, you are going to mold her hair once again with the Got2b glue gel, because as you can see, the end result, you're going to be able to see some of the cap lifting in the front, and you don't want any of the cap lifting. It's very, very important that the cap stays flat and molded flat. So at the end, I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me molding down the cap with the Got2b glue gel some more before I lay the frontal down and the glue down. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was informative. Be sure to check out part 2 of how to lay a frontal. Look and learn. You guys, I hope you look and you learn something today. Love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.